The skin is the body's first line of protection. It shields, repairs, and warns us when something is wrong. When blood sugar is unstable, this protective system works under pressure. Scripture reminds us he heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. Psalm 147:3. Healing is intentional. Healthy skin repair depends on circulation, immune response, and stable energy supply. When a cut or wound appears, the body sends blood, nutrients, and immune cells to rebuild tissue. This process requires balance. For people living with diabetes, elevated blood sugar interferes with this repair process. Blood vessels become less efficient. Immune response slows. Inflammation increases. This is not neglect, it is physiology. When glucose levels remain high, bacteria thrive more easily. Reduced circulation limits oxygen delivery. Nerve damage may reduce awareness of injury. This combination delays healing, even with good care. Dry environments, dehydration, poor nutrition, chronic stress. These factors quietly weaken the skin's barrier and slow recovery. Scripture often uses healing as a picture of care. Restore me, O Lord. Jeremiah 17:14. Restoration happens through patience, attention, and support. Supporting skin health does not require fear. Stable blood sugar, proper hydration, clean, protected wounds, adequate nutrition. These practices give the body what it needs to repair. If healing feels slow, remember this: slow healing does not mean no healing. The body responds to consistent support. Scripture offers reassurance in the process. The Lord will sustain him on his sickbed. Psalm 41:3. Sustainment is part of healing. Protecting skin health prevents complications, supports mobility, and preserves independence. Healing is worth patience. If this brought reassurance to your health journey, consider subscribing to this channel. We share medically grounded, faith-guided insights to help you steward your health with wisdom. You'll find education, devotionals, and resources at BootDiabetics.com. Because healing is a journey, and you were never meant to walk it alone.